everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today again we are going to learn another shortcut, very quicker method to find out cube root of any larger number up to 6 digits. 4 or 5 or 6 digit numbers, finding the cube root in just 5 seconds. For that you should have the knowledge of cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10, like 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64, and so on. If you didn't memorize it before, please memorize them now because this knowledge is needed for this shortcut. And when you look at the pattern, the last digits, same for 1, 5, 4, 6, 9, 0. 1 cube of 1 ends with 1. 4, 4. 5, 5, 6, 6, 9 and 9, 0 and 0. But it flips for 2 and 8. 2 ends with 8, 8 ends with 2. Same manner 3 and 7 flips each other. 3 ends with 7, 7 ends with 3. This is the meaning. Now I will tell you one more important point, students. Cube roots of any 4 digit number or 5 digit or 6 digit numbers will be 2 digits only. So the steps involved in this shortcut, for example, if the number is given some random number, look for the units digit. You have to look for the units or last digit. Ignore the last 3 digits of the number. Now you need to look the first number. Find out closest cube without going over. The closest cube is 1. You need to consider 1 in that case. So I'm going to explain this shortcut with some examples. Let's see the first question. Find the cube root of 6859. What is step 1? Look for units digit, which is a 9. Now, find the respective number in the number column for the cube 9. So here, this is 9. What is the number related to that? 9. So, as I already mentioned, the answer is going to be 2-digit number. So, the final digit is 9. And ignore the last 3 digits. So, ignore these 3 digits. We left with only 6. Find out the closest cube without going over. So, what is the closest cube for 6? It's again 1. Because 8 is going over, it is larger than 6. So don't go for 8, go for 1, and that will be the first digit of the answer, the cube root. So 19 is the cube root of 6859. I hope you understand this shortcut. Let me show you the next question with 5 digits. Find the cube root of 13,824. Look for the units digit, which is 4, and compare the column. Cubes 4 and related number is 4. That will be the second digit. Again, it will be 2-digit answer. So this 4 in the number column will be the second digit of the answer or the final digit. Now, ignore the last 3 digits. Ignore. You left with only 13. Find the closest cube of 13 without going over. So closest cube of 13, 8. Now the related number is 2. Write 2. That will be the first digit of the answer. So 24 will be the cube root of 13,824. Let me tell you, students, actually you are going to compare in the cubes column, but for the answer we need to pick up from only from the numbers column. I hope you get that point. Now let's do one more question. Find the cube root of 195,112. What is the very first step? Look for the last digit, which is 2. And now, which one ends with 2? Here. And the related number is 8. Again, it will be a 2-digit answer because for all 4, 5, 6 digits numbers, cube root will be only 2 digits long. So, 8 is the final digit of the answer. Now, ignore the last 3 digits. Ignore 112. You left with only 195. Find out the closest cube of 195 without going over. Obviously, 125. Now, the number related to that is 5. So, that is the first digit of the answer. So, cube root of 195,112 is 58. Is it not really quick? As I have explained step by step, it took longer time, but trust me guys, when you do after some practice, you can able to find out cube root of any larger number in just 5 seconds. It's really easy and accurate. I hope you understand this shortcut. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more useful shortcuts. See you next time. Take care.